Today I'm taking a look at the INIU 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. So there it is. Now the interesting thing about this is that this is a 25,000 milliamp hour, but it is a very small size. It is fairly thick, but for most 25,000 milliamp hour power banks are usually right around this size. So nice having something that has this capacity in this form factor. So we got our power button here on the right. You can see it comes with a 49% charge. On the top we have our power input. It says that can accept 100 watts, which is actually quite a bit for a power bank. Then we have two outputs. We got a USB-C and a USB-A, 18 watts and 45 watts. It does come with a tether, but the tether is also a USB-C plug. So if we need to have a quick cable that we can use to plug it in and charge it, or to charge one of our devices, we got that built right in. Nothing on the left or the bottom. On the back we have got all of our ratings. So if I plug in my phone, we can see that we are charging. But more importantly, that is super fast charging. So this is a much faster charger than most power banks. And if we plug that in to charge, we can see that we are now charging. And it's very nice. It has the capacity to input 100 watts. That means we can use a nice charger and we can get this guy up and ready to go very quickly. So overall, if you're looking for a 25,000 milliamp hour power bank, which is fairly large in a small form factor, that is going to be an excellent option.